Whoa, windstorm, take me home. There's only one way. I wanna blow straight back to my true home. Oh, windstorm, blow me home. Car horns in the dead of night, tossing and rolling, but the lights are too bright. Waking up, but I still feel tired. Working feverishly, so one day I can kick back on a riverbank, watch the birds in the trees, think back on the life I've lived, enjoy the shade and feel the breeze. But right now I don't have the choice, so I join the crowds and accept the noise. And when the wind comes, all I can say is, the windstorm, take me home. There's only one way. I wanna blow straight back to my true home, where life is peaceful and love is simple. Every day I'm on my own, I'm dreaming of that country road. I need a truck, I need some luck to find the honest life I want. Oh, windstorm, blow me home. I work up on the 23rd floor, but the elevator's down again. 500 steps to the office door, drowning in the sweat and rain. My boss just shakes his head and says, take a walk, you don't belong here anymore. The truth is I never belonged at all. Now I'm standing on the bottom floor with a choice to make and a road to call. So I'm trading in the city lights for a map that's made of dirt. No more sleepless neon nights to the city hurt. I might be poor in silver and gold, but I'm rich in the stories yet to be told. Yeah, windstorm, take me home. There's only one way. I wanna blow straight back to my true home, where life is peaceful and love is simple. Every day I'm on my own,